Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to import image. So if you want to import image into your Ibis Paint, you can go to the layer option and then you can click this camera icon. The next you can searching for your image. As example, I will import this image. You can click and then you can click open. So it will be automatically attached into your canvas and then you can edit in it, you can resize the objects or you can rotate. If you don't, you can click these icons to apply. Okay, here I will use the extra line drawing and OK again. And that's it to import. So you can click again, click this camera icon. The next you can searching for your image. So I will import this image, click open like this and you can click OK to apply and here I will use the cancel. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to import image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.